Fuck, this exhaust sounds good.
Do what?
Said this exhaust sounds pretty good.
Oh, did you leave your earplugs out?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Damn, I can hear you a whole lot better than I thought I'd be able to.
Oh, dude, these things are clear as can be.
That old lady didn't like us one bit.
She really wouldn't like me if I was in the throttle.
I know, right? That dog would have ran off. Hey, do you have that little foam thing on your microphone?
Yeah.
I put a dead cat on mine.
Got you.
I don't know. I think they work a little better than the foam.
Yeah.
I don't hear any kind of wind noise from your mic, so.
No, I don't hear nothing from yours.
Sweet. I'm recording too, so we'll see how this fucking works out when I get home and put it on the computer.
There you go.
It's in 4K, brother.
4K all day, baby.
The only thing is I need to get a bigger SD card because this one only records for like an hour. Because it's 4K. It'll probably do longer in 1080.
Yeah.
I'm going to rev the shit out of this sumbitch when I go by my mom's.
Which one's hers?
Fourth on the left. Right past the van right there. The house. Right now. This road will be child's play for you, brother.
Yeah, it's got a couple of little good turns, but it's pretty boring.
Unless you can't see your back wheel going around a curve, you're not happy. Only thing I don't like about this dead cat, keeps tickling my fucking mouth. I didn't cut enough off of it.
There you are.
There you are. Yeah, this thing's been beeping for the last 20 miles. I was waiting for it. I knew you were going to go around that car.
Oh, yeah.
We finally did. Still wasn't fast enough, though. You know, the funny thing is, this GoPro Audio Pack I got on here,
Yeah.
it has like an HD voice mode, but it only works if I'm just talking to myself.
Ah, gotcha.
Pretty shitty.
God damn.
I know, right?
Fuck it.
That's a shit ton of bike for around here. Dude, whenever we get a chance to go ride up there in Virginia, what was that place you was talking about?
Yeah. Total Gap.
Yeah, that's it. I'll definitely bring a backpack and cameras and shit and take pictures of y'all going around curves and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Because I won't be able to film it because I can't keep up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I got a Canon DSLR. Freaking pump up that shutter speed and get you going around the curve, man.
What do you got?
The T3i.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an older one, but hell, man, the one I want is like $1,000.
I've got a 5D Mark II, so I get it.
Hell yeah. I'd love to have like an 80D. I mean, I want something that does the autofocus with the video.
Yeah.
That one I got don't.
A 70 is a good one for that.
70?
7D.
7D?
Yeah.
Huh. I have to look up that. How much do they run?
Probably $1,500 for a new one.
Well, son of a bitch, I can't afford that.
Yeah, no, they're expensive as fuck. Mine was $3,500.
Damn. Yeah, but it probably takes fucking great pictures.
All those pictures I've sent you were the ones that I've taken.
Sweet.